my channel. Virtue Grace here. Thank you guys so much for coming. As you know, I'm still in Cotonou, Benin Republic, and this is where I've been sleeping since I came. So I want to show you guys around the house. This is a $28 a night Airbnb. So here is the bed where we sleep. We have this little 2 throw pillows and a bigger one, and this wall art piece here, which I absolutely love. I love the contrast it's giving the wall there. And then right here is a little flower and this basket, adding a little bit of color to the plain wall going on there. And then here is a fan. So the thing here is electricity is quite expensive and it doesn't work like in Nigeria. So you have to buy your electricity units and then use. So if you want to use the AC, you pay more. If you don't want to use the AC, then you have to make do with the fan right here. That's why we have this fan here, and then the AC on that other side. And then here is the wardrobe. This is what it looks like. We have this mirror setting where we used to dress up before going out and all. Here is my own section of the wardrobe. Let me show you what I have going on here. I have my little toiletries and my little handbag that I've been using since I came. My makeup purse is here, my bag, and then my shoes down here. So basically that's it about the wardrobe and the bedroom. Let me show you guys what the washroom looks like, because on this side is the door leading to the washroom. So once you come in here, you have this mirror going on here, and this little flowers on the door, on the window, sorry. I love that it's the color it adds to the bathroom. We have the sink here where we brush, my toothpaste and my toothbrush are there. Here is the toilet, and we have the water heater fixed up there, and these are shower, soap here. So now that's it about the washroom. I want to take you guys to the next place, which is the kitchen. But before we do that, I have to close the window. Let's go. So the corridor leading to the kitchen is here, and here is this beautiful art piece on the wall. I love the black and white and blue colors that are going on there to add contrast to the white wall. Here is the door to the kitchen, and once you come into the kitchen, on this side is the fridge. You have first of all here the blender, you have this coffee machine, and then the fridge. In here are some snacks that we got, just to keep our mouths busy. I love these fridge stickers going on here, though it seems quite like a lot. And of course, we have the microwave here. I doubt we've not used it since we came because we've not cooked, but I mean, anybody who wants to cook can use the microwave. And then here is the gas cooker. It's a 2-burner gas cooker. We have the matches going on and a pot here. This cabinet here has the gas cylinder and some other items that the hostess have in there. And then here is our electric heater. If you want to take tea, we use this. And here is the dish holder. We have the cups, the mugs, the cutlery, the plates and everything going on there. Here is the sink to wash hands, wash plates and all of that. So basically that's it about the kitchen. There is nothing extra, nothing flamboyant about the kitchen, just basic enough to go by. So if you come here, you can cook if you decide to. You have enough to make your cooking comfortable and quite enjoyable. So now I'm going to take you guys to the next room, which is the living room. So come with me. Here is the living room, guys. Here is the living room. So let me start here. Here is the little, room. We have here this art piece. Beninois are known for their, traditional art pieces and sculptures. So we have a piece going on here. This is a little lamp, table lamp. This decoration here, I love this flower, this sunflower going on here. I love the brightness it's adding to this particular area here. And then here is the table, which is the dining table, and what I prefer to call also a work table, because since I came, I've been doing a lot of work here. This is where I've been sitting to edit videos and do a lot of the work I have to do even while I'm here. So this is it. I love this beautiful mat this beautiful table mat. The colors, the pop of colors that are going on here, and the contrast and beauty it's giving to this plain white area here. Of course, this little table flower and the chair, going on here. Moving on, of course, there is the AC here. But like I said, because electricity is expensive in Benin Republic, we've not been using the AC, we've been using the fan. That's why you have another fan on that side. And here is the sitting area. You have this couch here, black couch, and then this white couch here. I love this in particular. I love that, it's white, and then you have these colors going on here and contrasting it. This is my favorite throw pillow here. I love, the pop of colors here. I mean, guys, I love this apartment because it has a lot of colors going on, complementing each other and adding, warmth to the white walls and all that are going on here. And then, of course, we have this flower here on the center table. There is the TV, which we've not used ever since we came here, because we don't have time to watch TV at all. And here is the little lamp by the side here, and then we have here this chair just going on here. So basically that's it, guys. And of course, I love this. I love the fact that there's a little bit of details going on here and there. There's not too much, and it's just okay. I love that. And yeah, that's it. The curtains and all. This lamp holder here, I love it too. It's white and it has like some designs going on there and just adding to the beauty and all. So basically that's it, guys. Thank you. And here is the exit door. This is the exit door from the apartment, exit and entry. So if you want to come in, you come in here, and then you go out here as well. Last but not the least, guys, this here is a mirror. We have this mirror going on here, and just you want to see, check yourself out for one more time before going out. We use this here. So basically that's it. What do you think of the apartment, guys? Is it worth the money? Like I said, this is a $28 a night Airbnb, approximately 10,000 naira or so. Yeah, so what do you think? Is it worth the money? For me, I think it's worth it. It's worth the money and the experience, the comfort and all that comes with it. So would you consider checking this Airbnb when you come to Cotonou, Benin Republic? Let me know. Drop me a comment. I'll drop the link in the comment section as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell beside it, just so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'll be having a lot of them come from my trip here. So keep yourself glued. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.